The pandemic has been in the United States for more than a year, but one local hospital is acknowledging a somber commemoration.
We had PPE on for 12 hours. Of course, we take breaks, but we were in our own little area all by ourselves with our patients, no family members. Made calls the whole time, and we'd come out and every 3 hours and take a break and just be exhausted.
1 year ago, UnityPoint Health-St. Luke's in Sioux City had their first COVID-19 hospitalization. This week, they're taking the time to reflect on this anniversary.
Coming together as one big hospital with patients included, family included, we became one big team. We laughed together, we cried together, and just learned a lot from each other from this experience.
Tony Van Dusen, a charge nurse for UnityPoint Health-St. Luke, says the last year has been crazy and the role as a nurse has evolved into more of a communicator and family member for the patients.
There's a lot of people that are dealing with grief right now, especially with the pandemic, have suffered loss, and to help them process that grief, it's good for them to reflect, and so that it can begin, that healing process can begin.
The hospital has set up luminaries near the north entrance and a display of flowers in their chapel to represent patients who recovered and those who passed away to COVID to reflect on the last year.
I know a lot of times, because they're so involved in what they do and serving others, a lot of times they don't receive the recognition that they deserve. And I think this is a good way of recognizing their work.
Elias Simano, chaplain for the hospital, says it's crucial for people to face the grief that they're feeling and come to grips with the reality of the situation to move forward in life.
Because even though people who, of course, who have passed, we always remember those, but those who have made it out and showed us that we can do it and rolled out of here in the wheelchair with the song playing overhead, like, those are the best emotions.
Another way that UnityPoint Health-St. Luke's is reflecting on the past year is through yard signs along Pierce Street that say tough times don't last, caring people do. In Sioux City, Riley Mahon, KCAU-9 Digital.